Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations, and today we are doing a lemon blueberry loaf. It's going to be like a sweetbread, and I'm going to have some vanilla whipped cream to go with it. So let's get started. I've got 2 cups sifted King Arthur flour, half cup sugar, I'm going to have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon salt, I'm going to go ahead and mix my dry ingredients until they're fully incorporated, like so. I've got the dry ingredients mixed. Now we're going to add our wet. I've got 1 egg. Going to add 3/4 cup milk. A 1/3 cup vegetable oil. Got some lemon zest. Try to get all of that. Now I'll go ahead and mix our wet ingredients like so until fully combined. I've got everything mixed, and I'm going to add my blueberries and a splash of lemon real quick. Just a little mini splash. I already got zest in there. Okay, I've got our mix done, and I'm going to go ahead and fill up a couple little mini loaf pans here that I've sprayed down with oil. So we'll go ahead and get these filled up about 3/4 of the way full, and I'll show you what we got before we put it in the oven. Into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, while our loaf is baking, I'm going to whip up some vanilla whipped cream. So about 8 ounces of heavy cream, like so. Confectioner's sugar, about 1/2 cup. Like so. And I just eyeball it. And some Don Matias Magnia. This is straight from Mexico. Thanks to my mom and dad. It's about a teaspoon or so of that. And we'll get it all mixed up. Stiff peaks is what you're looking for. Okay, it's all mixed. You can see. I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate this. Until our loaf is done. And chef's secret, you always lick the beater. They've been pulled from the oven. Now it's just the time to cool. And then we'll slice and plate up. Okay, well there you go. It is our lemon blueberry mini loaf / sweetbread. Dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy. See you next time.